Let's move on. Balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation. What is balanced chemical equation? The balanced chemical equation is the simplified representation of chemical reaction which describe the chemical composition, physical state of the reactions and products, and reaction condition. The balanced chemical equation which gives three conditions. What are the three conditions? Chemical composition, physical state of the reactant products, and reaction condition. What are the reactant condition? Temperature, pressure. Temperature, pressure, and heat. These are the reaction condition. Chemical composition, physical state of the reactant and products, and reaction condition gives balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation. Let's move on. More to know. The phases or physical state of the substance in a chemical reactions are denoted in a short form within a bracket. Within a bracket as the subscript of the formula of the respective substance. Each and every reactants gives some physical state. These physical states are denoted by short form in a bracket as the subscript of the respective substance. For example, when solid potassium reactive with liquid water. Solid is a potassium is a solid state, water is a liquid state. It gives the potassium and liquid react, it produce hydrogen gas and potassium hydroxide solution. All this information of the reactions in a given chemical equation. Solid potassium. Solid, S for solid, the within a bracket subscript for potassium. Water formula H2O. Water is a liquid state. Write in a L bracket in a L. Write in subscript of the water. It gives potassium hydroxide is aqueous solution, AQ for aqueous solution, and hydrogen is a gaseous substance. These physical states are right in a bracket in respective substance in a subscript. What are the physical states? What are the symbols? Solid is a physical state. The symbol of solid is S. Physical state of the liquid is L. Physical state of gaseous substance is G. The aqueous solution represents AQ. These are the physical states and symbol. The physical states represent denoted in a short form within a bracket as the subscript of the respective substance within a formula. Potassium is present in solid state. Water present in a liquid state. Potassium hydroxide present in a aqueous solution. Hydrogen in a gaseous substance. These physical states represent in a short form in a bracket written in subscript of the formula. Let's move on. Types of chemical reaction. First classification is based on nature of rearrangement of the atom. Large number of chemical reactions takes place around us every day. Are they taking place in a similar way? No. Each reactions involves different kind of atoms. Hence the way they react also different. The reaction ways are different and the reacting molecules also different. Thus, the based on manner by the based on manner by which atoms of the reactants are rearranged. Atoms of the reactants are rearranged. The chemical reactions are classified. Chemical reactions are classified based on nature of rearrangement of atom. First classification is combination reaction. Combination reaction. What is combination reaction? Combination reaction is a reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a compound. Two or more reactants combine to form a compound. This reaction otherwise said to be synthesis reaction or composition reaction. Combination reaction otherwise called as synthesis reaction or composition reaction. What is combination reaction? Two or more reactants combine to form a single products. This is otherwise called synthesis reaction, composition reaction. When a reactants A combine with B reactant to form product AB. A and B are the reactants. A plus B. A and B are a reactant substance and gives product AB. Two or more reactants, AB are the reactants combined to form a product. What product? Single product. This is general reaction, general combination reaction. Example of combination reaction. First example, hydrogen gas combined with chlorine gas to form a hydrogen chloride gas. Hydrogen gas formula H2 plus chlorine gas formula Cl2. Both are present in gaseous state. So short form G in a subscript. It gives hydrogen chlorine gas. This is a single product. Hydrogen and chlorine is a two reactants combined to form a single product. Depending on the chemical nature of the reactants, there are three classes of combination reaction. The first class is element plus element gives compound. These types of combination reaction, two elements react with one another to form a compound. Two elements to form compound. The reaction may take place between metal and non-metal or two metal. Element may be metal or non-metal, or one is element and another one is non-metal. So element plus element to form a compound. This is first classification of the combination reaction. Example of this type of reaction. When solid sulfur react with oxygen, it produces sulfur dioxide. Both reactants are non-metal. Sulfur is a non-metal. Oxygen gas also non-metal. It gives sulfur dioxide. This is element. Sulfur is element. Oxygen is element to form sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is a compound. Element plus elements gives compound. The second example, sodium is a silvery white metal combined with chlorine gas. Chlorine is a pale yellow green gas to form sodium chloride. This is edible compound. Sodium chloride is a edible compound. Our day-to-day life use salt. The salt is name is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride formula NaCl. This is edible compound. One of the reactant is a metal. Sodium is a metal, and the other chlorine is a non-metal. Sodium metal, chlorine is a non-metal to form sodium chloride. Sodium is element, chlorine also element. Element plus elements gives compound. Element plus element gives compound. This is first classification of combination reaction. What is the combination reaction? Two or more reactant combine to form a product. Two or more reactant combine to form a product. The first type of a combination reaction is element plus element gives compound. Let's move on second type. The second type is compound plus elements gives compound. Compound plus element gives compound. In this reaction, compound react with element. Compound react with element to form a new compound. To form a new compound. For example, phosphorus trichloride react with chlorine gas. Phosphorus trichloride formula PCl3 react with chlorine gas. Chlorine gas formula Cl2 gives to form the both reactants combine to form phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride formula PCl5. PCl5. The PCl3 is a compound. Cl2 is a element. PCl5 is a compound. This is compound plus element gives compound type combination reaction. The second type of combination reaction is compound plus element gives compound. PCl3 is a compound, chlorine is a element, and PCl5 is a compound. The third type of combination reaction is compound plus compound gives compound. The both reactants are compound. The products also compound. This type of chemical reaction between two compound to form a new compound. Two compound combine to form a new compound is a third type of combination reaction. For example, silicon dioxide react with calcium oxide. Silicon dioxide formula SiO2 and calcium oxide formula CaO to form calcium silicate. Calcium silicate formula CaSiO3. CaSiO3. Silicon dioxide is a element and calcium oxide is silicon dioxide is a compound, calcium oxide is a compound. Both are act as a compound. Two compound combine to form a new compound. The new compound name is calcium silicate. Calcium silicate formula CaSiO3. CaSiO3. These are the three types of combination reaction. What are the three types? The first type is element plus element compound. The both reactants is a element, the product is a compound, is a first type of combination reaction. The second type is compound plus element. Compound plus element gives compound. The reactants are compound and element. One compound, one element combined to form a compound is a second type of combination reaction. The third type of combination reaction is compound plus compound gives compound. Both reactants also compound. Both compounds combine to form a new compound. This is third type of combination reaction. Dear children, types of chemical reaction is a very important 5-mark question. Learn this topic and practice well for the chemical reaction. Practice well for the chemical reaction. Remaining classifications are learn next video section. Thank you, students.